I think Kenya would have wished, and we still wish, to see completely free education for both primary and secondary. We are now in a new dispensation. We are entering into CBC. Each honorable member would want to see now our children having dignity as they go to their junior secondary, as we move to the new system. So if we are doing this junior secondary, we must change the system of this country on how we look at things, Mr. Speaker. That indeed, I saw the other day, Kuppet now. You see, when you find ourselves, Mr. Speaker, fighting that Kuppet must be somewhere so that they continue having numbers of union, and the children themselves, when they close school, they don't even have food. Those are the things this House should not allow. We are not here to make our children and teachers to be unions. We are here to see a country that standardizes, that makes it pure, that education is the only merit a child can have to sit on a table with any other child, Mr. Speaker. So, Mr. Speaker, while I support my leader, Esther Passaris, and to wish her that this indeed is needed, but we have to do it in the right way. So, Mr. Speaker, as I finalize, I want to really thank the Americans for voting in Trump to finish the culture of what our children have been crying for, a culture that is not our culture, and now America has awakened itself. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.